Okay? Say something in Luganda, at least for the camera.
Tulina okukolagana.
Tulina kolagana, unity. Kolagana kwagalana.
Kalilineko sebo, mwebale nnyo.
Right about now, we're going to be talking to Joel Ssebuunjo's mother. Joel Ssebuunjo's mother has been in the show and she's got something to say to us. Maama Joel Ssebuunjo, kankuze waffe Uganda. Bannange. Ha! Omwana wattu. Bannange. Omwana wattu akoze show.
Omwana nga akoze show banenyumiriza. Kubanga newunyiza okuba abantu bano bonna nga bazze ku lw'omwana wange. Omwana wange Joel Ssebuunjo. Tebibadde byangu kuva mega nsanyuka Joel kubanga kati atuse kyemulabirako nga kimutuusa wala. Nebaza Joel obutangiwa kubanga akoze bingi nnyo ku myaka emitono. Era byonna biteeka mu maaso ga Mukama nebaza Mukama olw'ekyo. Sijja kwewaananga omuntu ne byonna Mukama yabikoze. Joel nazaala Joel ng'akyali muto. Joel n'akula. Joel abaatuka mu senior one taata we n'afa. Ng'asoma Makerere College School. Tekyampisa bunene ngamba Mukama gwo byonna gwe maama gwe taata abamulekwa buli omu gw'omutwala n'ensaba Mukama. Joel n'atambula badde mwana mulungi asomye bulungi n'amala Makerere College School O level n'agenda mu A level n'agenda mu Makerere University. N'omwana Joel agenda okulinnya ennyonyi ng'ali mu senior 5 agenda mu S5. Ne wabaawo n'agamba maama nga bamufunye nga n'ebizibu naye nafuba nnyo nenoonya ssente Joel n'agenda e Denmark era kwatambulidde olugendo olwo. Nakiraba mu bintu byakola nabiraba. Waliwo gamba nti abigudde mbugwe nabiraba. Nakiraba okuva bwe yatandika kubanga from S5 n'agenda ngali college school yagenda n'agenda e Denmark nga tiyagenda yekka. N'agenda ne bamustinga n'agenda ng'agenda ku lwa musical ng'ali mu bandi n'agenda ng'ali college school. Kubanga ali ne mwami Busula ng'asoma Makigondi college school okuva mu O level. Naye namanya nti ajja kutuuka ali atuuse wala nkyebaliza Mukama. Joel tanswazizza. I'm so proud of him. That's why I'm here. I wouldn't have come. Kale sebo nange neyanzizza. Bannange ngamba abazadde temwejjamu nadde abazadde abakyala bwe tufiirwa abaami tumanyi okwesaasa tuba okwesaasira Katonda ye gyali bwesiga Mukama ne Mukama akola ebibyo twesige Mukama naye ajja tuwanguza abaana baffe ekitiibwa tukiddiza Mukama yekka teri mulala.
Just the minute he walked on stage, I felt it. I just felt it. It couldn't have been any better.
Wow.
It couldn't have been any better.
Your name?
Jeannie, but he calls me George.
He calls you George. Who calls you George?
Joel.
Joel Ssebuunjo.
Joel Ssebuunjo.
Calls you George.
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you. It's the best place for me in my life. The stage.
Yeah.
It's the best place.
Let me ask you about something. Were you just faking the accent to try to speak English, or you have a problem with English?
No, I don't have so much problem with English because, okay, I'm from a French African country, Francophone, but I tour a lot since 35 years. I tour a lot everywhere in the world, and I know English is a language, is a world language, and I learn. Okay. I learn little in school in Mali, but on the road I learn more.
Okay, so it is Alliance Française which has organized this event.
Yes.
So which means that it's all about the French language and then how it can bring people together. Okay?
Yeah. The Alliance Française is they are very close to the French African country. You know, very close.
Francophone.
It's normal.
Okay.
It's a story.
All right.
And when they move in English, African English phone country, that means they want to keep in touch to connect.
Okay, to let people know that French can be anywhere else.
We have a connection, and they create connecting between African French country with East English country. That is great,
No, you are very right, because the world is a global village.
Yes.
The world is a global village. Okay, let's talk about the show. Out there, it's like you laid the whole show on. Because, my brother Joel Ssebuunjo was there, fine. And then the guy on the Amadindas was so amazing. But then you were like leading us from one act to another. How did it feel out there?
Oh, your English is strong for me, but I understand. I know Joel Ssebuunjo before. These guys, is a wonderful guys. He travel a lot, and he loved too much Mandinka music, Malian music. He's coming in Mali. He moved. Here is not close to Mali, and the people from Mali never, maybe not too much cross. Okay. The east to west, the west to east, and come here, and plus the language. We speak French, and here is English. It's a kind of a border, Okay. But Ssebuunjo go to the Mali. He travel a lot. This boy, and he met me in my own hotel. I have a small hotel, and the band played there, and he was there. He said, "Hey, Habib, I'm coming in Mali." I said, "Where are you from?" "I'm from UGANDA." And
We're all brothers.
Happy to see him moving to the very far west to visit musician.
In Mali.
It's why I love these guys, and this guy want to meet people.
Okay.
And he try many times to invite me here. I was cool. I was easy because the sound of this instrument, this traditional instrument, the sound is close. The scale is close. Many scale of our country from Mali. I can follow. I can understand easily. It's why musically no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do babo.
All right. Leaving the music alone. So, have you tried to visit some places in Uganda? What has been your experience? Have you visited some places in Uganda?
No, this is my I think this is my third time or fourth to come in Uganda.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, the very first was before 2000. It's in 1998 maybe.
Wow.
I come and play with my band and a band
now
from...
you're a Ugandan. Call yourself a Ugandan.
But the last time was in the festival Mizizi and Kiriandongo.
Yeah, that's a refugee camping.
With Sam. Yeah. It was great. I discovered too much, musical young who blow.
Because Kiriandongo has very many refugees from different countries.
And I see the people who dig the earth. They dig and they put the wood and they play like balafon. You see the balafon player on stage. But those guys, the wood are on the floor. I never see that before. Okay. I see that here in Uganda. In Kiriandongo. And I look and I think Africa.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, what matters most is we are all together and we are one person. Whether phone, whether English, we are all one person.
The common point is we are African.
True that.